Hi guys, MyTechTalks back again with another video. Got myself a JBL Go 2 right here, and got this from Amazon. I'll put the price on the screen, and you can get this at the link down below in the description from Amazon. I know this is like 2 years old and everything, but I got one because I just thought about it, and I just wanted a small speaker, and got one because I like the colour, because it's a nice blue, and that's actually pretty much the reason why I got one, because it was blue. So let's just do a quick unboxing and a speaker test. Now, I don't expect it to be absolutely fantastic in quality because it's only 20 quid, I think, or something like that. It is IPX7, so waterproof technically, but I bet you they don't actually cover that in the warranty because no manufacturer does that. Cover the water resistant rating in the warranty. So let's just whack this open. Nice solid. So rubber on the back, literally. Metal grille on the front. So you got on the side here some Go 2 branding. Micro USB port would have been nice with USB-C, but 20 quid, can't really complain. You got a 3.5 mm auxiliary port. Water seal on the inside of here. That's pretty cool. JBL brand on the back. It's pretty nice size. Let's get rid of that stuff. Actually, while we're here, why don't we get rid of that and open up the package that comes with it. We'll get rid of that. We don't need that. Get the knife in there because we're not going to be returning this. Another reason why I got this is because I'm going to do a water test on it. I'm going to put it in the bath for like an hour, and we're going to see what happens. We're going to see if this IP rating of IPX7 can actually hold it. So what do? You get some warranty stuff. We don't want to know about that. It's basically like a 1-year warranty. Might get 2 year. We got the information. Don't want to know about that. Some information, what you need to do about charging and stuff, and all the good stuff. So you can read that if you want. I don't want to know that. You got a nice orange JBL branded cable, micro USB right there, USB on one side, with a nice little orange bit there. Get rid of that. So what is it? 20 centimeter cable, I think. 20 centimeter. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. We're going to chuck this in. Nice secure grip right there, as you can hear. A little bit of a wiggle, but you know it's micro USB, so you expect that. Get rid of that. Let's power it on. Actually, do you know what? Let me show you what it's got on the top. So power button, pair button right here, Bluetooth, volume down, volume up, and then you've got the play and pause, and I believe it's skip a song, go back as well. Nice little grips on the bottom. It's quite conveniently. What is it? Quite small. Okay, let's power it on. I'm going to connect it to an iPhone 7. Let's connect it to an iPhone 7. Hold down the Bluetooth button to pair it. Go into your iPhone settings. Bluetooth. JBL Go 2 right down there. Press it. There you go, connected. There's no bass for this speaker whatsoever. Let's chuck us some NCS. Let's put on the happy song. It'll be down in the description if you want to hear this song. Okay, so what are we on? 50%. 50%. They all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone. 'Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't let go. Bear in mind it is on YouTube, so quality is not going to be the best. 50% volume. Pretty decent sound. Let's chuck it up to like 80. It's okay. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a maximum volume.
But every time we say goodbye,
That's pretty loud.
we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will,
Okay, playing pause.
but then you don't.
Volume up. That works.
Turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Vibrating the table. You can see that it's moving. It's moving. Well, on maximum volume, if you put it on a wooden table, it would slowly move to the right for some weird reason. Don't know why it was doing that then. Don't know if you could see that. Yep, it's a really nice blue. And that was a quick sound test on the JBL Go. So you've got a little LED light right there with some white branding. So let's go to the bath right now, chuck it in the bath for an hour, and let's see if it survives. See you in a second. Okay, so we're going to drop this in the bath right now. It's around 7.5 inches deep. It's a typical bath. Yep, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit play and we're just going to chuck it in. I need the other hand, one sec. Okay, so using the exact same song again, we're on 50%. Make sure when you're doing this, if you're gonna, you just close this up. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Does it float? Not really, so let's chuck this on 100%. Sounds pretty good. So let's just leave this for half an hour. I'm going to pause this now. And I am going to hit the timer for 30 minutes. Well, technically, it's been in there for like a minute already, but there we go. So we'll come back in half an hour. Okay, so 50% volume, same song. Yeah, a little bit of water inside the speaker. That'll take like a while to get rid of that, but seems pretty good. So, half an hour's gone by. Seems good. Also, after this test, hopefully it still works, we're going to be doing a durability test on this JBL speaker. I've got myself a rugged case to go with it, and we're going to give it a good old drop test as well. So we're going to do a drop test with the case on and just the speaker by itself. So subscribe for that, and let's get right into it. Okay, so the timer has started for another half an hour. Let's leave it in there for another half an hour. That'll be an hour total time underwater, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, the timer is up. An hour is gone now. Let's dismiss that. Okay, so let's turn it on. So an hour underwater. Let's plug this, turn this on. Give it a little shake. Okay, so we're playing the same song again. 50%. Now it'll probably take around half an hour for the sound to get back to normal because there's probably water inside here, so it's going to take a while. But after that, should be all go. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, like this video if you liked this video, and stick around for future videos on this particular product when we do the drop tests on it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.